Now the question is, what is the maximum value of n for which 40 to the power of n divides 60 factorial? Now the options given are 10, 14, 20, 27. Now the solution is 40 to the power of n, we all know is 8 into 5 to the power of n, which is 8 to the power of n into 5 to the power of n. Okay, 8 means 2 cube to the power of n into 5 to the power of n, which we can write it as 2 to the power of 3n into 5 to the power of n. Okay, now let us find out in 60 factorial what is exponent of 2. E to the power of 2 means exponent of 2 in 60 factorial. How do we calculate this? It is step of 60 by 2 plus step of 60 by 2 square plus step of 60 by 2 cube plus step of 60 by 2 to the power of 4 plus step of 60 by 2 to the power of 5 plus so on. Now step of 60 by 2 means what? Integral part of 60 by 2, which we know it is 30. Integral part, step of 60 by 2 square means 15, integral part. Step of 60 by 2 cube, integral part 7. Step of 60 by 2 to the power of 4, 3. Step of 60 by 2 to the power of 5, 1. Now remaining step of 60 by 2 to the power of 6, step of 60 by 2 to the power of 7, all will be equal to 0. So exponent of 2 in 60 factorial is 56. Okay, now let us calculate E of 5 in 60 factorial. It means exponent of 5 in 60 factorial. It is step of 60 by 5 plus step of 60 by 5 square plus step of 60 by 5 cube plus so on, which is 12 plus 2 plus remaining step of 60 by 5 cube onwards, it will be 0, which is 40. Therefore 40 to the power of n, already we have written earlier that it is 2 cube into 5 to the power of n. Also 60 factorial, also in 60 factorial, exponent of 2 already calculated 56, exponent of 5 is 14, into remaining you will have multiples of prime number. Therefore 2 to the power of 56 we can write it as 2 to the power of 14 into 2 cube into 5 to the power of 14 into so on. Now why did we write like this is because 40 to the power of n has multiples of 2 and 5. So in 60 factorial we have to find out only what are multiples of 2 and 5. Therefore when we compare 40 to the power of n and 60 factorial, we find maximum value of n in 40 to the power of n is 14. Therefore the correct option is 14. Thank you.